Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Constructing Minds. In this video, we shall have a look at the term utility as a part of theory of consumer behavior. A consumer consumes that product which gives him maximum satisfaction or utility. Let us understand the meaning of the term utility. Utility is the want satisfying power of a product or the power to satisfy our needs. In other words, utility of a product is the satisfaction it provides to a consumer. It varies from person to person. For example, a chocolate may have higher utility for a kid but less utility for an elder. So, utility is different for different people, even for the same product. But how do you measure utility in numbers? Is it measurable? Not really. But still, let us assume utility can be measured in numbers. Let's understand this with the help of a table. Here, you can see that 1 unit of chocolate is giving 50 units of satisfaction to a consumer. In this case, total utility of 1 unit of chocolate is 50. Then, 2 units of chocolate is giving 70 units of satisfaction. Thereafter, the third unit of chocolate is giving 80 units of satisfaction. Do you notice something here? When you consume more and more units of same product, the satisfaction you derive from successive consumption of units begins to decrease because your need of that product diminishes. It is like your excitement is very high with the first chocolate and you may crave for more. But with the fifth chocolate, you feel less excited and you might not need it more. So, pace of your total utility diminishes with the increase in consumption for the same product. Going back to the table, we can see that the total utility increases by 20 when the consumer consumes the second unit of chocolate. But as he consumes the third unit, total utility increases by only 10 units. Thereafter, there is no increase in the total utility when he consumes the fourth unit. This is because his satisfaction begins to decrease with more consumption of the same product. Do you know what do we call the change in utility with consumption of each additional unit? It is called marginal utility. Let us continue with the same example. As you can see that the marginal utility decreases with each increase in consumption of chocolate. This is because the satisfaction level with increase in consumption decreases. This is also called the law of diminishing marginal utility. It states that marginal utility from consuming each additional unit of a commodity declines as its consumption increases, while keeping consumption of other commodities constant. Let us understand the meaning of the phrase consumption of other commodities remain constant. Consumer behavior is a complex phenomenon. It changes with the availability of different products. In our example, let us suppose a new flavor of chocolate comes out in the market which is more likable to the consumer than the earlier one. Then his total utility will increase with increase in the consumption of the new flavor of chocolate. Therefore, when we say that the total utility of a consumer decreases with increase in consumption of each successive unit of a product, we keep factors such as change in taste of the consumer, availability of other commodities, etc. constant. So this is all about this topic. I hope you like this video. For more such academic videos, do subscribe to Constructing Minds, and for regular updates, hit the bell icon.